it's Sky here. Today I'm going to talk about a Snail Repair Sun Cream by Karadium, and I hope I get the name right. It comes in a 70ml tube and it goes about $20 from Yesstyle or $26 from Stylewana. It is a combination of physical and chemical sunscreen, and it provides SPF 50 plus PA3+ broad spectrum protection. It contains the extract of snail slime, cactus, and aloe plus niacinamide. And now I'm going to show you how it looks like on my skin. From the selling website of this product, it has listed its included benefits are waterproof, long-lasting, non-greasy, and at the same time provides anti-aging benefit, skin brightening, and improve the skin radiance and the appearance of wrinkles. I think it just worked as it has promised. When I applied it on my face, I do see my skin looks more radiant and brightened. It doesn't burn my eyes and it's not greasy. It works well as a makeup base or alone for a no makeup day. One more good use of this tinted sunscreen is when I have full makeup on my face, and I would just use this sunscreen on my neck so that it will provide me with the sun protection and also to make the color matching my face better. It does have a light and soft scent in it, but it is not strong at all. The downside of this sun cream is it only comes in one shade tint, and it might not work well for you if you have a skin tone that is darker than mine. Other than that, this is such a nice tinted sunscreen. On some days, I only wear this and then a lip gloss, then I can go out on my day. And I think you will enjoy using this sun cream too. Sorry about my voice because I'm still feeling a little bit sick. Thanks for watching. 係咁先啦，下次見。